everyone, and welcome back to yet another video. To begin, I'm going to share with you today a completely free and simple approach for anyone out there who doesn't have any money and wants to start any online job that pays more than $600 per day. You are free to repeat this process as many times as you want. In this video, I will demonstrate to you methods that could result in earning you hundreds or even thousands of dollars per day. Just pay attention, follow the steps, and execute them properly. Also, I'll be showing you how to take advantage of YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing and social media network based in the United States that is owned by Google. With over 1 billion monthly users, YouTube is the most popular video sharing website in the world, with users watching more than 1 billion hours of videos every day. In fact, it is the second most viewed website in the world, directly after Google's own. Consider how many people you might possibly reach utilizing this simple strategy, given the fact that there are millions, if not billions, of people who use this social media site. You're about to learn step by step how to make more than $600 a day from home. Since so few people are doing it, the opportunity to make money online is huge. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. Now, before we start earning money, we need to complete 3 things. In order to get a payout from the website that will be shared with you earlier, you must first establish a PayPal account. For those of you who do not have one, we're here to help you out. To get started, all you need to do is visit the website by typing in paypal.com. Upon arriving on the PayPal website, you can open a free account by clicking the sign up icon below. Next, you need to choose an account type. For now, we'll choose the personal account option. Finally, after doing so, you will need to fill in all the necessary information like your name, address, and mobile number, and you're done. Now you have a PayPal account. It is as simple as that. After completing the first step, we'll go to the second one, which is to visit youtube.com. Now, in the YouTube search bar, type entertainment and hit enter. You'll be redirected to a new page with the video results. There will be a lot of video results coming from different channels. However, for now, we need to look for channels to use. What we will be doing now is choose smaller channels. It's easier to connect with smaller channels because they have fewer than 100,000 subscribers. Now, since we are looking for YouTube channels rather than videos, what I want you to do now is look for right below the YouTube icon. You will see a filter button. Click on it and click on channels under the type option, and this will make it easier for you to find as many channels as possible. The selection of this option will filter out various channels that are mainly concerned with entertainment. Channel selection should now take into account the channel subscriber count. As I earlier mentioned, that we should only consider small channels in order for this strategy to be effective. However, keep in mind that these channels should be active, which means that they should be producing videos on a regular basis. If you're done choosing a small and active YouTube channel, let's proceed to the third step. The website that I'll be introducing to you is where we will earn money. I want you to go to your browser search bar and type in Second Life. Click on the first result with the link secondlife.com. Second Life is an online multimedia platform that allows users to create their own avatars and interact with them in virtual environment. In many ways, Second Life is similar to a massive multiplayer online role-playing game. Nevertheless, the creators of this game emphasize that the creation is not a game. Now, in this site, those that participate in Second Life are also known as residents. They create virtual versions of themselves and are able to interact with other avatars and with other things in this cyberspace. Their virtual world allows them to explore, meet, and mingle other residents. With thousands of virtual experiences and communities to choose from, they will never be short of new places to discover or new people to interact with. It also allows you to participate in activities both alone and in groups because the platform game offers music groups, role-playing communities, and virtual cinemas and other activities that you can do on the site. The users may also build, create, shop, and trade virtual property and services with other members of the community. And because users retain ownership of their content, They can share and monetize their work through the Second Life marketplace, which now has 2.1 million items available for purchase. Most of the platform's content is created by users in 3D models. Real-world dollars can be exchanged for Second Life's virtual currency, known as the Linden Dollar. With this, we can tell that Second Life has a thriving entrepreneurial community. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Right away, as soon as you land on the Second Life homepage, I want you to go down to the bottom and click on the affiliate program link, which will redirect you to the next page. Second Life's affiliate program compensates you for promoting the game on your website or through the content as well as through your company and brand. As a visual storyteller, whether you're a micro-influencer, a blogger, or a streamer, you may join and share your Second Life experiences with your followers. Then you may be asking how you may join this company as an affiliate. You may get started right away by clicking the Get Started Today option located below right here. To begin using your affiliate account, wait for a confirmation email in your inbox and click the activation link. This is the page where you will be able to sign up and get your free account, after which you will be able to start using it. Simply select your language and country from the drop-down selection. They accept a wide range of countries, so don't be worried about that. In addition, you will be needed to enter your email address and password as well as check the box that says "I'm not a robot" to authenticate your identity. After that, you should click on the verify email option, and with that, you're pretty much done. It is really simple and quick. As soon as your account has been validated, all you have to do is go to your account and copy your referral link or referral code. Now that you have your referral link, it's time to head back to YouTube and check out your chosen entertainment channel. Go to the channels page and click on the About tab right here, and you'll be able to view here the account owner's contact information, such as their email address. Through the provided contact information, you'll be sending them a message encouraging them to make a video about it or simply promote the website on their social media accounts. Moreover, if they go on to join up for the Second Life account using your referral link, you will surely receive a commission. Considering that there are millions, if not billions, of YouTube users, just imagine how many people you could reach out to using this easy technique. The greater the number of people you can reach, the better. If you're able to contact 5 to 10 YouTube channels and convince them all to sign up, you may be able to start earning money immediately. You will get paid exceptionally well, and you will receive payment rather rapidly depending on how many individuals you are able to reach. Even better, you won't have to pay any money in order to generate money with this strategy. It is absolutely free of charge. You can reach out to these YouTubers and discover new little channels in the entertainment business as long as you have the necessary time and are prepared to put up the necessary effort. Without any hesitation, put this method to test for yourself today. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.